Stoneleigh Companies leads the way in developing Savannah Living communities, which feature many of the comforts and advantages of single-family homes, built for renters desiring maintenance-free living, with features not found in typical multifamily communities. Stoneleigh is revolutionizing the multifamily industry, offering single-story rental properties with 1, 2, or 3-bedroom homes, with 2-car attached garages, private entrances and patios, vaulted ceilings, and high-end finishes and amenities. Community amenities including a private residence club with fitness studio, resident lounge, work areas, outdoor veranda with fire pits, barbecue grills, and outdoor living make these communities the ideal place to call home. Learn more today about Stoneleigh Companies, a reputation built on trust. For more information, visit waterfordresidential.com or call 224-770-4600.